Let f of x equal 2x squared plus 7x minus 3, and find its derivative by evaluating the difference quotient. Okay, so we're walking through the difference quotient step by step here, starting with taking my function and plugging in x plus h. So that gives me 2 times x plus h quantity squared plus 7 times x plus h minus 3. And we're asked here to simplify this as much as we can, so let's go ahead and do that. So 2 times x squared plus 2xh, sorry about that, plus h squared, just squaring a binomial, plus 7x plus 7h minus 3, which gives me 2x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 7x plus 7h minus 3. So a whole bunch of terms, and that's what's going to go for the first blank. So this here goes in that blank. Now the next step is to take what we just had and subtract f of x. So I take all of this stuff and then I subtract the original function, which is 2x squared plus 7x minus 3. Now it's important to note that this is in parentheses because this negative distributes to each one of these items. And so this is really negative 2x squared, which is great because that cancels with this positive 2x squared here. And this is negative 7x, and that's great because it cancels with that 7x. This is positive 3, and it cancels with that one. So what we're left with then is 2xh plus h squared plus 7h. And that's a perfectly fine answer there. In addition, if you want to factor out the h, that's okay too. Plus h plus 7 is what would be left. Now I'm going to take that result and divide by h. And what happens here is this h in the numerator cancels out, leaving me just 2x plus h plus 7. And when I take the limit as h goes to 0 of this, so h goes to 0, leaving me just the terms 2x plus 7.